How to get HelloFresh discount promo codes. Now, first things first is of course access or open up any preferred browser you want to use. Now, for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, all I have to do is to create a new tab once you are currently on HelloFresh.com's official website. Before you place an order, we'll have to create a new tab. Now, from your new tab, just simply go to couponfollow.com. Now, this is going to be a website in which this site provides you a certain amount or amount of codes for you to be able to save money. Now, once you're here, you just have to go to search for a store and then type in Hello Fresh. Now, just click on the first result right here, and this is gonna be all the options and pages in which you will be the ones to choose on what specific promo codes you want. Let's say, for example, you want 65, 70, 25, 16, save with code, and free shipping, and all of the above. So all you have to do is choose any of these codes, and then for you to be able to have a vision of the coupon code, just click on it. For example, this one. Now, some of the codes is requiring you to do maybe a bit of a task for you to be able to get the code. Now, some of the codes is just you can immediately get it. So all I have to do is to copy this code and go back to HelloFresh official website, place an order, and enter the specific code given to you from Coupon Follow. So that's it. That's how you get best promo code for HelloFresh.